Hi there, everybody. I'm gonna play an Angry Bird season with a pink bird. If you don't know what is pink bird do, just press and mystery, okay? Pink bird makes and bubble, and then she carries all the blocks and the pig. Then the pig and the box fall because he's already died. She already died. So let's watch the pink bird. See? This is the Angry Bird of the season. If you lose, choose the mighty eagle. It is so dark. We don't know. So this is a pink bird. If you don't know what she can do, press mystery. Then okay. Okay. So watch. See, she carries the pigs, then the pigs and the box fall. See? So let's make the pink bird. See? She bubbles. Yeah! See? See? She carried. Then it's full. So, if you want the orange bird, just look at it. If you don't know what it's gonna do, just watch it. See? Poof! He'd be fat. He is fat. So, this is the Angry Bird of the all. The song is like, yeah.